the Discord activity status. Now, the first thing you guys want to do is go to your Discord, go to your settings if you're on PC. For mobile, it's basically the same thing. Just go to your phone, go to the bottom, cog wheel, or however you say it. I don't know how you say it, but as y'all can see in the activity settings, they removed the display status as of July 8th, 2022. So we're gonna go to privacy and safety. This is crazy. This is crazy. Y'all probably be like, yo, did they really move the display and status of your profile to privacy and safety? You're dang right. Down, you go to activity status, display current activity as a status message. So any app, any game you're playing, it will be shown if you enable this simple button. So we're gonna try it out and see if it actually worked, because earlier I couldn't do it, so I had to do my research and go through all of the settings on Discord, and I actually finally got it. Alright, you guys, so we just loaded into Friday the 13th, the game, which I've bought and never played previously. It's very sad that I don't even play this game. It's actually like, it has good potential, but I don't even play it. It's crazy. Alright, so let's go to our Discord here. As y'all can see, Friday the 13th, the game just started playing. So it shows it actually works, and hopefully I liked the video, and if I helped you out, please consider subscribing. Comment down below if you got stuck on it, and if you're puzzled about the new update and why they added play status to the privacy and safety, because that is not privacy and safety. Like, come on, bro. Bro, they're basically said you need to be safe while hiding your games in whatever you're browsing, like, what I'm saying, incognito tabs and stuff like that. Ain't no wrong.